Memefi coin send OKX Web3 wallet to exchanges. How to send Memefi token from OKX wallet to exchange. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send your Memefi coin from your OKX Web3 wallet to an exchange. Whether you're looking to trade, convert, or simply move your Memefi tokens, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. So let's get started. First, a quick reminder, OKX Web3 wallet is a non-custodial wallet that gives you full control over your crypto assets, including Memefi tokens. Now, open your OKX Web3 wallet app. After that, once you're in the wallet, go to the Assets tab and search for Memefi token. If it's not showing up, you may need to add it manually by entering the token's contract address. Now that you've located your Memefi tokens, let's proceed to send them to an exchange. Tap on the Memefi token and then tap Send. This is where you enter the details to send your tokens to exchange. Next, head over to the exchange where you want to send your Memefi tokens. You can use Binance, Coinbase, or any exchange that supports Memefi as an example. Simply in the exchange app, go to the deposit section and select Memefi. The platform will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address because we'll need it in the next step. Next, return to your OKX Web3 wallet app. In the send screen, paste the deposit address you just copied in the recipient address field. Double check the address to ensure it's correct. Sending crypto to the wrong address can result in a permanent loss of funds. Next, enter the amount of Memefi tokens you want to send. You can either select the maximum amount or manually type in the number of tokens. Once you've entered the amount and double check the deposit address, tap on Next. The wallet will show you a summary of your transaction. If everything looks good, then check out and confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, head back to your exchange and check the deposit section. Your Memefi token should show up in your account balance shortly.